a look at some of the wall breakers that can be used on mono poison teams. First we have Nidoking. Thanks to sheer force and life or boosted attacks and a great move pool, Nidoking hits very hard and is difficult to switch into reliably outside of dedicated special walls like Chansey. Nidoking is found on mono poison team to ease steel matchup, as the coverage of Nidoking makes it an asset versus steel matchup, as steel types have limited number of Pokemon that can switch into Nidoking reliably. Earth Power and Sludge Wave are its two main stab moves that hits hard due to sheer force, and Earth Power can take out grounded steel types. Ice Beam is used for flying types such as Zapdos and Gliscor, while Flamethrower helps in taking out Skarmory, Celesteela, Ferrothorn, Fortress, Scizor, and so on. Next we have Dragalge. Due to adaptability, Dragalge with a choice spec hits very hard, as it can straight away one-hit knockout or two-hit knockout any Pokemon that does not resist it. Sludge Wave is used for fairy types such as Clefable, Azumarill, and so on. Sludge Wave also hits consistently, unlike Draco Meteor. HP Fire is used to nail Scizor and physically defensive variants of Ferrothorn, and lastly Focus Blast is used for steel types such as Heatran and Bisharp. Now we will take a look at some utility mons or other options on mono poison teams. First we have Toxapex. Toxapex is a great addition to any poison team. It has great overall bulk, ability in Regenerator, and a reliable recovery in Recover makes it a staple on mono poison teams. The set you're looking here is a specially defensive Toxapex set, used to check threats like Charizard Y and Volcarona. Toxic never misses when used by a poison type, hence it is used here to poison flying types as well, which Toxic Spikes cannot. Haze is to stop a setup sweeper such as Volcarona, and Scald is to fish for burns. Next we have Nihiligo. Good special attack, a great speed, along with the ability in Beast Boost makes Nihiligo for a fantastic Scarf user. It sits at a very interesting speed tier, outspeeding Scarf TD, Garchomp, Mega Charizard X and Y, all of which are threat to mono poison teams. Nihiligo does a great deal of work versus flying and fire matchups where poison generally struggles. Nihiligo is able to sweep weakened teams with its increased boost thanks to Beast Boost. Power Gem is the main stab move, as Rock has good offensive coverage and it helps in sweeping fire and flying mono teams. Sludge Wave is its most powerful attack, hitting fairy types such as Tapu Koko and Tapu Bulu for super effectively, and causing major damage to anything that does not resist it. HP Ice takes good care of ground types like Garchomp, Landorus, while Thunderbolt is used for opposing Toxapex and for taking out Gyarados. Next we have Salazzle. Salazzle with its great speed, high special attack and part fire typing helps in making steel matchup a lot easier for mono poison team. It heavily dents specially defensive Celesteela, which can be a pain for poison. Nasty Plot is used to increase its special attack to sky high levels and possibly clean or sweep the team. Fire Blast hits steel types not named Heatran, and Sludge Wave and Fire Blast has a very good coverage. Sludge Wave takes out fairy types. HP Ground is specifically used for taking out Heatran, which otherwise holds this set. Next we have Nidoqueen. Nidoqueen with its good bulk is a decent stealth rock setup for the team, which is crucial to pressure types such as Bug, Fire and Flying. The set used here is a Shuka Berry set that can surprise kill threatening ground types such as Landorus and Excadrill. Earth Power hits grounded steel types hard, while Ice Beam helps in taking out Landorus, and finally Flamethrower is used for steel types such as Skarmory, Celesteela, etc. Next we have Tentacruel. Tentacruel is also an option to run on mono poison teams, however it is hugely outclassed by Toxapex since it has better bulk, a better recovery option as well. However, Tentacruel can be used on mono poison teams as a utility set. It has Toxic Spikes, Rapid Spin to clear off hazard, Spikes to damage and gradually wear down the opposing team, Scald is to fish for burn and knock off his utility option. This Tentacruel set is a specially defensive set meant to spawn special hits for the team. Next we have Toxicroak. Again, Toxicroak is not common in mono poison teams or in the poison metagame. However, Toxicroak has Sword Stance, which enables it a good decent setup sweeper. It has Gunk Shot, Stab Attack, high base power which hits very hard. Drain Punch helps versus steel matchup. Sucker Punch is a priority that helps in taking out psychic types such as Latios. Sword Dance can be replaced by Ice Punch for better coverage versus ground and dragon types. So this was our role compendium for poison types. Hope you like this video. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.